How to recharge Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can recharge Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to recharge Netflix, you don't usually need to, because Netflix is always going to automatically recharge itself as long as your payment details are still there inside your Netflix account. In order to check this, you can simply open up your Safari browser or your Google Chrome browser, go to netflix.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you've done that, you can just tap the three lines option located over here, and then I want you to simply go to this little option known as account, as you can find it. Once you come to the account option, scroll down over here, you can see payment info. So just tap on manage payment info. Now as you can see, my payment method is still there. It means that my subscription is still active and I don't have to recharge it. But if you're thinking about maybe you want to add a new payment method, in that case you can just tap the add payment method option, and then you'll be able to add a new payment method in this case. So I hope this video helped you clear your confusion as to how you can recharge it. Bottom line is that you don't need to recharge because Netflix has auto renewal feature. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.